Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can remove FRP lock or Google account lock from Poco M2 and M2 Pro very easily without any software box and without PC. Okay, and guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's begin the video. First of all, select language, country, and skip here, connect Wi-Fi network, now next. Don't copy here. As you can see, this mobile is asking to enter the pattern lock or Google account which was previously signed on this device. Okay, simply go back here, connect to network, and just disconnect Wi-Fi network, forgot network, click OK, and skip here, more, accept. Here you can see fingerprint, just tap on it and select pattern and wait sometimes. Now got it, and make or create any normal pattern here. Now next, and go back to here, connect to network. Now reconnect your Wi-Fi. Okay, now next, don't copy and enter the pattern which one you create. And finally skip here, click OK. Skip here, agree, and tap here. As you can see, we have successfully bypassed FRP lock from Poco M2 Pro very easily without PC and software box. And guys, thank you watching for this video, and I will see you the next one. Please take care, have a good day, bye bye.